here's the fixed SCX24. We got a new motor in there. Had some issues with the transmission, but I got metal gears in there now. So that's fixed. I got the cheap INJORA motor. I do not recommend it. I had a bunch of issues with their metal plate and ended up not using it and had to drill my own holes in my own plate because their holes were not drilled correctly and nothing lined up with that plate. But yeah, I had to drill holes in my stock plate to modify it. Next time I'm going to probably go with the hot racing or trail brand stuff. I'm not going to cheap out on this stuff anymore because you just make you waste a lot of time in the end and waste money too because the stuff doesn't work anyways. I got a new motor in, new shocks. The stock suspension was really stiff like everybody on Amazon says, so I put the stock springs in the new shocks, and while I was doing that my 3-year-old knocked one of the springs off the table so we couldn't find it. So I have one stiff spring in there. The back of the truck kind of sits on level, but it's fine.
I'm cameraman.
You're the cameraman?
Yes, I'm cameraman.
Alright, so here's the updated truck. We still haven't gotten our tires in. I believe our wheels are coming today, our brass wheels. We have a new EMAX steering servo coming, and I have a steering linkage inside for that. I have new tires coming and tire glue.
Yeah, right, tire glue.
Let's go check out the course, Jordan.
Yeah. It's brand new.
Yeah. We got tornadoes last night and a bunch of rain, so we got a bunch of water last night.
Yeah, that is nice. Mud party.
We got some tunnels here. Did it flip over inside the tunnel?
Yes, it did.
Oh, I got it. We're too tall now because that one spring sits too high.
Yeah, no, so you even broken it. I changed it. Ooh, a tunnel pipe.
How did we flip over inside there?
Yeah, that is possible. See it do flip over. Oh no.
Oh no, we keep flipping this thing. I really need
Don't! This, my back work. It worked for me.
We really need those brass wheels to keep weight on the bottom end. This thing is so light.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Once we get brass wheels and the brass wheel weights, it'll add a lot of weight to the bottom end.
Yeah, right.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Oh no! Michael, help! I actually messed it up. Ah!
You're fine, it's recording.
No! It showed my face!
Oh, buddy.
My dog even see this. Okay. Down on one. Oh no.
Jordan and I are new with this whole recording thing.
Yeah. You the one posed the tour for what, my videos.
Can I get back there? You keep getting stuck in that little strand. Man, this truck is awesome.
Yeah.
For how small it is, I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, right.
Uh-oh, I think it died.
Oh, dang it.
Hopefully it died and we didn't burn up the motor already.
Right, we did.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me suggestions because we're all new to this RC game. And yeah, thanks for watching.